That's right. That is the reality, right? Faced with challenging circumstances, it's often easier to not be in charge. And so I think the one thing that has sort of been lost in the shuffle is that there has not been much effort made in deregulation. Like ultimately, how do you get out of this without more pain is through productivity increase or population increases. Those are the two ways that you can get out of this, both of which essentially raise the long-term trajectory of economic conditions as well as government revenues. And so, there's all sorts of estimates about the impact of regulations, but I think pretty sensible estimates suggest that the U.S. economy would be about $3 trillion higher in terms of annual output, which is about 10% higher in terms of annual output, were we to roll back the regulatory implementation over the last 20 years. That's a heck of, it's not to say that those regulations were useless. Of course, there's always lots of benefits from regulations, but, could we go back to 2000s level regulation and in exchange get 10% additional higher level of GDP growth on an annual basis? That seems like a pretty good trade.